The year was 1957, a time of tension and competition between the Soviet Union and the United States. The Cold War had gripped the world, with the superpowers locked in a standoff that threatened global stability. In the heart of the Soviet Union, in a secret research facility outside Moscow, a team of scientists and engineers were working tirelessly. Their mission: to launch the first artificial satellite into space. The man in charge was Sergei Korolev, a brilliant, yet reclusive, rocket scientist. Korolev, known as the Special Designer No. 1, had a vision for the future of space exploration. He and his team were determined to prove the Soviet Union's technological superiority. The project, codenamed Sputnik, was kept top secret. Workers toiled day and night, constructing the satellite piece by piece. The pressure was immense, as the eyes of the world were on the Soviet Union. Finally, after months of labor, the satellite was ready. It was a simple device, a 23-inch metal sphere, weighing 184 pounds. Inside, it contained a battery, a radio transmitter, and a few sensitive instruments. The launch date was set for October 4, 1957. The world held its breath as the countdown began. The rocket roared to life, a brilliant plume of fire illuminating the night sky. As the seconds ticked away, the world watched in awe as Sputnik rose into the heavens. The successful launch stunned the world. The Soviet Union had achieved what many thought impossible. The United States, caught off guard, was forced to scramble to catch up. Sputnik had not only marked the dawn of the space age but also symbolized the Soviet Union's technological prowess. In the aftermath of the launch, the Soviet Union's status as a global superpower was solidified. The United States, in response, accelerated its own space program, ultimately leading to the Apollo moon landing in 1969. The launch of Sputnik had far-reaching consequences. It sparked a new era of space exploration and competition between the superpowers. But more importantly, it showed the world the boundless potential of human ingenuity and ambition. In the years that followed, the race to the stars would continue, with the Soviet Union and the United States leading the way. But it all began with a simple metal sphere, launched into the heavens on a cold October night in 1957. And the world would never be the same again.